Hey there, Esther here from GrowthQ. I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure your mentor offerings are ready to get booked by mentees. So first off, we're going to assume you've already created your profile. You have already updated your calendar and availability. And now we're going to go to your offerings. As you can see here, I have 7 offerings available. What's going to be really important when you create your offering is once you've decided on what type of offering that you're creating and offer and making available, you want to make sure open for booking is turned on. Really, really important. Once you've done that, you made sure open for booking is turned on. You've updated your details within your description so people know what they are booking. Hit update offering, and you want to make sure your offering now shows up and is open for booking. Really, really important.